Hello friends, I'm back again with Hashrate improved SUQA miner. Name is Wildrig Multi. In this miner, Hashrate improved around 10 to 25%, depend what GPU you use. Before I start, please do subscribe my channel, hit bell icon, like and share this video. Okay, first we have to download Wildrig Multi. I'll give you link and video description, and actually I give you all link in video description, include my Wildrig pet file, and after download you have to extract 7-zip file. You have to extract this file. Now open extracted folder. Already a start bat file. Sorry, I have cough. Edit. Go to edit. Change algo. URL. I'm going to use Bisort pool, and here this is URL and port. Copy. Paste. Now you have to enter port address here 2460. Use a wallet address already here. Now password, this is important, so you use C Bravo equal to, I don't know what you call, SUQA, capital letter. SUQA. That's it. Now save. Already saved. Now save this and close. Double click on your start bat file and your mining start.